から見てもいつまでもスタイルも人生素敵だよ一生 killing it 不安でも
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Julian Ken here and I'm going to be showing you how I edit my pictures and how I go looking from this gross little ball of ugly. I just woke up so I'm still in bed but yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna go get ready. Okay, so I just did my hair and my eyebrows and I'm basically ready, so I'm gonna go outside because I haven't taken a picture outside in so long, so I really want to get a picture outside. So I'm gonna try to find a little spot around here where I can take a picture, maybe trees or a brick wall or some kind of plain background, just so I can, when I edit the background and everything, and show you guys how I do with my backgrounds and edit my face and my skin and hair and everything. It's gonna make it more clear than me having some kind of textured background where it'll be a little harder to see what I'm doing. So yeah, I will be back and I will have a selfie. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my screen record thing on and then I'm going to show you how I edit my pictures. So I always start off by doing my backgrounds first. Well, first off, I take my picture and I go to enhancements, brightness, and I up my brightness just a little bit to make the picture a little more clearer and more focused. If I need to use the blur tool, I'll use that, but I always use portrait mode on my phone, so I won't need that. I'm gonna go to retouch and then I'm gonna swipe over until I get to whiten, and I use the teeth whitening tool for my background just to make it more clear. I'm gonna enlarge the tool, and then I like to zoom in on my picture and then just go into the background and start making everything that's supposed to be whiter. And I'm just gonna edit any light parts. Since the sky is in the picture, I'm going to edit the sky, make it look brighter, more clear. And then I go in and I retouch my eyes and I zoom in super close to make sure I'm getting just the whites of my eyes to make them super bright and clear. I'm gonna go in and do my nose since it's kind of glowing, and then I'm gonna do my cupid's bow a little bit. Okay, so then after that I go into the acne tool, and I use this literally all over my face because I have such bad acne. Okay, so you can see a huge difference so far. And then I'm gonna use the auto tool. Now I'm going to go in with the smoothing tool. I'm gonna go more natural, so I'm gonna take the smoothing tool off and use the light tool, make it bigger, and just go in and smooth any spots that I think need to be smooth. My neck, my chin, my forehead, my cheeks. I'm gonna go back in with the acne tool and retouch my chin a little bit because I think I really didn't do a good job on my chin. So after I do that, I'm gonna just go in. Sometimes when I'm editing, I can kind of lose a little bit of my brows or a little bit of whatever makeup I have on, and it can get lost in the edit. So I go into the little makeup tool. I always use the freckle one because that one's the most natural. I don't like anything on my eyes, so I don't like the lashes or the little eye makeup, and I don't like lip. Oh, well, yeah, I'm gonna go with the lip gloss that they put on there, and then the blush and the brows. And I like it a little more natural today, just because of how the background is. It's a little more summery. And now I'm gonna go in with the little magic tool, and that kind of pulls everything together. And then I just let it do that, and it reshapes my face a little bit. It cleans up whatever little acne spots I missed and my forehead, and it just makes my face a little more slimmer. So I'm going to go into the reshape tool, and I'm just going to pull my nose in. I'm just taking it and swiping inwards on the sides of my nose to kind of pull it together, and then I'm going to swipe it up to kind of lift my nose just a little bit, not too much, and it gives you that contoured look. And if you want it to look a little even more contoured, you can go in with the teeth whitening tool and just swipe down your nose, and that'll kind of brighten it, but you want to do it really light until you get the desired look, because it will if you do it too thick. And you need to resize the tool so you can make it smaller and more sharp and precise. You can see where I have my piercings from my snake bites, so I'm just gonna go in and edit those to make it look like just skin. Show you the before and after. So before and after, it kind of looks more like an angelic filter kind of, and then I just save it. No thanks. And then I'm going to go into the next app, which is PicsArt. And I love PicsArt because that's the one tool that I found that has so many tools in there, even though I don't use a lot of them because I don't really know how to use them. But yeah, I really still like it. If I'm gonna do any editing or cutting out, I'm gonna click fit, and this is how I get that little white bar on the sides of my pictures. Next, and then save. And that's how I edit my pictures, and then I'll post that to my Instagram. So, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I don't know, what else? Follow my Instagram for more pictures. You can see all of my pictures and how I edit them there. I'll try to have everything linked down below, so thanks.